languages, touchpad and connection, sound, speed, climate, lights, exactly. So design is blue, and there's a couple of blue extended, orange extended. Let's just try the orange. Very nice. And then the doors here. I would rather have it at night, see it more. What about, let's say, orange extended? What does it do? Oh, extended here maybe? Well, why the hell they kept it only on blue then? That's really dumb, because I mean, of course blue extended, of course, just keep it blue extended. Look how nicer it is, because you have this illumination part and this is what I can see right now, and that the central one and the door. So I think that's a favorite. It's good that we discovered this together. So that's it really, the iDrive. You can always control it on the iDrive, you know, controller from here. It's the older one, but it's still a pretty good one. Basically, if you want to have this split screen on and off, just, you know, that, you know, toggle, just remove it, and you can turn it off. I'd rather have it this way, it's nice. I think it looks good, and they try to make it electric hybrid, so it's bluish and stuff like that, but it's, you know, this is the older one. I mean, the new one, it looks even better than ever. The hazards and the different control, safety control of the car. Front end collision off. Just keep it on for God's sake. And then you have the pedestrians alert, it's on. Good. Ventilation looks amazing, great quality, very nice quality, superb, you know, hard material, very good material, soft leather. The volume knob, which is always nice, it's a bit wobbly, but it's still good. You can turn it off by pressing it. You have the shortcut buttons here, and they are not sensitive like the other cars. There's a switch from different channel as well. Dual climate control. You have heated seats for passenger and driver, 3 settings. You know, all the different stuff here really, you can adjust it manually, and you can have it in auto. The start and stop engine button, very nice. Instead of here it's hidden, it's there. I wish they do it for all different cars, and you can see it's eliminated too. Brilliant design, man. This is the eDrive, so you can have the car fully electric. As you can see, it just goes all to blue, e-boost. Everything is maximum set to electric mode. The traction control, you can have it dynamic traction control activated, and you can have it on and off. Basically, that's it. You can have 2 settings only, Sport and Eco Pro. And you can see the range. If you have it in comfort, it's 12 for electric, 208 as total with gasoline. So, and in Eco Pro 13 by 209. So obviously Eco Pro is better because it's more economical, but it's not gonna use the car power. So don't do that really. We don't want to spend more battery. So what we will do is, you can see that button here. I press on it, so the car electric motor shut down. Take it to the left, and then it goes red. That means the sports mode is enabled, and the gasoline engine is running alongside with the electric engine. You know, very nice display, because in the bottom you can see the gas, how much left, the range for the battery, temperature and time on top, S1 mode or M1, whatever you want to use it, automatic or you want to use it manual, and the kilometer from the last trip. Parking brake if it's enabled or disabled, and the seat belt. Of course the lights, they're set on auto as well. So very nice display, guys. Everything is smooth and nice. So that's it for here. You have the camera. This is the camera. It's pretty good quality actually. You can adjust the brightness and the contrast. You can't enable the back. You only do that if you go reverse, and then you can change different settings. You can see rear view camera and the bird eye and rear with sensors, you know, so whatever you like it. Either way it's all good. Okay, So that's a parking sensor basically. The electric parking brake, there's no handbrake here. And the gear leader, why BMW you have done using the regular 4 series, 3 series? Just make it special. This is the supercar and it's so expensive. Just make it different than others. If you press parking, it goes to P automatically and the gasoline engine goes. This is the iDrive. This is a good place. You have one USB, no wireless charging. You can put your sunglasses, your phone. That's good. One cup holder only. And then if you open this part, I don't know if you can get wireless charging, but this is just an adapter basically. It's good space though. On the doors there's no space, so you cannot put anything there. You can't store anything. Sound system for Harman and Kardon, speakers everywhere. Lights are regular lights and not LED. The mirror is not frameless, the central mirror, but it's good. The visibility from the back, as you can see, it's okay. Look how nice you can see the angles of the car while driving. It's just fantastic. Show you from the different side too. I really like that. Now you can see the ambient lighting more. And the seats, man, they look different than all BMW seats. Soft leather, stitching, ventilated. There's 2 cup holders here for people sitting in the back. I have 2 seats here, can you believe it? But maybe only babies can sit, because the head space is very small and the leg space is non-existent. Huge speaker, subwoofer. Very nice. And more speakers here and tweeters. Everything is cool, man.